Hello friends! In this video lesson, I will help you choose a Forex broker and a trading platform for my pumping station strategy. Let me remind you, my system works on the MT4 or MT5 platforms. You can choose either one.
So, the pumping station strategy is developed for the MetaTrader platforms, specifically for MetaTrader 5. We are on the website of this platform on the developer's site. There is also the MT4 platform, which is, roughly speaking, a level below the MT5 platform, but it is also popular among traders because many trading strategies and indicators were created for it in the past and are still being developed. Expert advisors, that is Forex bots, which is why it is still used. MT5 is a new generation platform for trading, featuring many additional functions, and it is only gaining popularity. We created the pumping station strategy specifically for the MT4 and MT5 platforms with separate software. You absolutely receive it for free with the purchase of our training course. So you can find the MT4 and MT5 platforms on the website of almost any Forex broker. In 98% of cases, this is true. For example, let's open the broker I use, which is IC Trading. We look at the platform section and see MT5, MT4, and MetaTrader, as well as additional platforms for iPhone, iPad, Android, and a separate MetaTrader for computers running macOS.
If you are definitely interested in my personal choice, I have been consistently trading on the IC Markets broker platform for the last 12 years. This is a very Australian regulated broker that provides its clients with exclusively high quality and reliable trading conditions. This broker has an affiliate called IC Trading and is known for its services. And this affiliate is definitely good because even clients from the European Union can use a very high leverage of 1 to 500. And this leverage is exceptionally large, allowing for maximum profitable results from trading activities, ensuring that traders can capitalize on even the smallest market movements to achieve significant gains. And I will definitely provide the link to follow below this video.
There is a nuance for Americans. The regulator in the USA in the Forex sector prohibits Americans from registering on websites regulated by the American regulator. For example, we look at the IC trading website and see that this information does not apply to residents of the USA, Canada, Israel, New Zealand, and North Korea. Therefore, one will have to take a detour and register with another broker that is available for Americans. This issue concerns Americans. At a broker that allows trading for Americans, such as, for example, to residents of the USA, or rather citizens of the USA, I can suggest that instead of IC Trading, the company Yuanda is an American regulated broker where you will generally find good trading conditions, and the MetaTrader 5 platform. For MetaTrader 5, we have created an extension in our partner station that will work on MT5. An additional broker that I can recommend to Americans is Forex.com. Here, we immediately and quickly landed on the official website of this well-known broker. And here, on this site, we also see the advanced MT5 platform, MetaTrader 5, and several different American brokers allow trading with my various Forex strategy. Pumping station. So don't worry. Regardless of which country you hold citizenship in and which broker you are registered with, anyone in this world can essentially use this strategy. There is always a way out. That is, there is always the right way out. Let's move on.
Americans, don't worry. Brokers Wanda and Forex.com are also absolutely great for trading with my trading system. So, everything will be okay. So, let's assume that you have completed your task and registered a trading account with a broker where you can trade on the MT4 or MT5 platform. Now it simply remains to just install one of these platforms on your personal computer.
After you register an account on the Forex broker website, you need to log into your personal account, find the Download tab, and download the trading platform that you will be using. I mentioned that MT5 or MT4 is available to choose from. You can select either one. MT4 is older, while MT5 is newer. I use MT4 because I have known this platform for a long time, although I also use MT5 for trading. For example, let's take MT4. Download this platform to the computer and click the button. To install, a window opens for the installation of the platform, and the installation process begins. The installation doesn't take long, and in a minute, you will first land on the website of the trader community, which is developed and maintained by the trading platform developer. This trader is a company, and a window will open for you. As I mentioned, let's close this site, and a MetaTrader window will open, where you will need to select the address of the trading server. As you can see, there are many of them here. I start from 0.1 while downloading 33, which means it is a very popular company. The more servers trade, the more clients this broker has. The server address. We select an existing trading account. Here is the item. We will take the login and password that the broker will send you after you register the trading account with this company. I will show you how to do this. I re-registered for another account with this broker, carefully considering my options. I had the choice of either a standard account, a rough spread account, or an account with a narrow spread. After much deliberation, I decided to choose the account with a narrow spread. The process was straightforward, and I felt confident in my decision. The narrow spread account seemed to offer the best benefits for my trading needs, and I was eager to start using it. Choose the currency that you want. The currency should be one that the broker does not charge you for exchange commission, but I still recommend using USD because when you have USD, the trading conditions on your account will be much better. The trading leverage we take is the maximum, which is 1500 with this broker. As I mentioned, this leverage of 1500 can be used even by citizens of Europe, and a few months ago, even Americans could register with this broker and take 1500 leverage. The initial deposit can be anything. This is a demo account, which you can use for practice. Here, the money is virtual, meaning you can trade on Forex without funding the trading account. For example, you can choose an amount of 5 millions or 50 million USD in practice, but I advise you to start by taking a demo account and choose a trading leverage of 1500. Then, select the account size. And immediately the broker sent a message to my email with the details to log into my trading account through the MetaTrader platform. Just a moment. I will check this information and get back to you. I am looking at the information regarding the new demo account that I registered with the broker ICT Rating inside my email inbox. Returning once again to the trading platform, I need to select the trading server Demon 05. Here it is. It opened automatically for me right away. Demon05, okay? Let's go back to the email, take the login, and go back to the email. And now, I find myself situated within the platform, fully immersed in its environment. Here is my current balance that I have carefully selected, which I have chosen as per my preference. 1,000. I can definitely use this platform. It is very useful for sure. The screen size does not quite match the overall size of the platform in terms of dimensions and specifications. While recording the video, I selected the wrong aspect ratio. I'm sorry, here it is. So here is my trading platform where I can currently conduct various trading activities with demo money. This is 1000 USD. In the future, when you complete a small trading practice on the pumping station, I will show you how to fund your account and open a real trading account. Let's move on. I would just like to say a few words regarding the connection to the trading server. Firstly, it is always off on weekends. That is always Saturday and Sunday. Thirdly, there can sometimes be connection failures if you sometimes have a poor internet connection, but you can always simply and easily check the connection status here. As you can see, when you hover your mouse over this icon, the connection status appears. Here you can currently see all available servers and the ping in milliseconds to access each available server. Here, for example, the platform connects to that server. This is all within the framework of the server. Demo IC Trading Demo 05. All these servers are related, but they are located in different countries around the world. The platform connects to the one that is closest to you. The pumping station strategy does not require the fastest connection to the server and does not demand the quickest execution of trading orders. But of course, it is better for the ping to be minimal and less than 100 milliseconds. To achieve better ping, it is advisable to open a trading account, or rather, it is better to use a WPS server for hosting the platform.
In future videos, we will definitely address the issue concerning money management. At this stage, to ensure you understand correctly what amount we are talking about, I will answer. It is 200 US dollars. In other words, a relatively small amount of money in your account will help you start trading with my pumping station strategy. A bit more. So, in this lesson, we installed the MetaTrader platform on the personal computer, but don't rush to make trades. In the next lesson, we will set up pumping station on the trading platform. I will explain how to receive trading signals and open trading operations. See you soon.